Last year's resolutions scattered on the floor, but finding you was one I didn't know I was looking for. Remember how we shivered, waiting for the
One question I get asked by clients more than anything else is, which shoes do I wear with these pants? Hey, I'm Katie, I'm a personal stylist, and today we're gonna be getting into it. This is going to be a masterclass, so buckle up, grab a tasty beverage, and let's get started. One common issue when it comes to picking the right shoes is the length of your pants. This is a length that is very hard. If you've experienced that firsthand, you are not alone. I can't tell you how many of my clients have this issue. If you try to pair a cropped wide leg pair of pants like this with a more streamlined sneaker, but you can still see your ankle, this isn't going to feel very nice. There's something about the volume of the pants paired with a more sleek, streamlined shoe that feels a little out of balance. But it's a little bit better if you pair it with a sock that's the same color as the shoe or the same color of the pants. The reason for this is that it elongates your leg a little bit and it doesn't have that like awkward space of just a little bit of skin showing. So that's one trick you could try. But I think the best thing you can do with a pair of pants like this is wear a shoe that exposes a lot of your foot. What this does is it eliminates that awkward space where just a little bit of your ankle is showing. But obviously we're not going to be wearing flip-flops in the winter. So I recommend matching the volume of the pants at your ankle with a shoe that has equal heft. So think like a really chunky sneaker, a really chunky boot, something that isn't going to provide much contrast between the width of the pants and the shoe. Another thing that's nice about a boot like this is, again, it eliminates that little bit of space where your skin is showing. Here's another option. It's not as chunky, but it does have that height. So really the key is show more of your skin or eliminate the skin that's showing altogether. Another thing that comes up with clients a lot is just generally knowing which shoe to pair with which pants. My thought process when selecting a shoe is, first and foremost, what do I want the overall vibe of the outfit to be? I think shoes, more than anything else, determine the vibe of your outfit. Are you trying to be sporty, chic, sexy? Whichever shoe you pick holds more weight in determining the overall feeling of the outfit than anything else, in my opinion. These glossy loafers read very business, very masculine to me, whereas a small heel that exposes more of my foot reads more chic, feminine. These sneakers read casual, cool, comfortable, whereas a sneaker like this reads way more sporty, dad. And while we're here, let's talk about the length of these pants. I think the length of these pants is nearly perfect. It just meets the floor, and it's going to be way, way, way easier to style this length of pants than it is the cropped pants that we started this video with. So I always tell clients, err on the side of a longer pair of pants. You can always get them tailored if you need to. And the measurement that you pay attention to when you're looking at sizing on a website is the inseam, which is the measurement from your crotch to the floor. So measure that on your own leg and compare it to the product details. And I can't talk about shoes so much without mentioning my favorite type of shoe, which is a nothing shoe. A nothing shoe is a shoe that blends into whatever you've got going on at the bottom. In the summer, that's often some sort of nude sandal or something, but in the winter, it's often going to be a pair of shoes that match the color of your pants. This does a couple things. It eliminates the confusion about which shoe by thinking of the shoe essentially as an extension of the pants. It also has an elongating effect. So if you have legs that are a little on the shorter side, this could be nice for you. So when it comes to shopping, take inventory of the pants that you have. What colors are they? Like, what colors show up the most? Try to find a pair of shoes that match if you want a nothing shoe in the winter. And as always, if you want to work together one-on-one, there's a form in my bio, fill that out, and I'll be in touch.